Hi everyone, let me introduce Chacktok, the app for 360 photo booths and its advantage comparing to other apps. Number 1. Revolutionary built-in wireless control protocol for more than 10 photo booth brands. So, Chacktok software can be used smartly to control these photo booths. Number 2. The 360 photo booth brands of built-in wireless control protocol have the auto station function. Customers can scan the QR code and fill in their information, then will generate a QR code. Chacktok can scan the QR code and shoot videos automatically, also rotate automatically, and automatically share artworks without any operation. Number 3. There are more than 12 kinds of video mode effects. In addition, for slow motion and boomerang, there are also 10 more amazing 360 video modes. And each video mode can preset rotation speed, which has the best effects. Number 4. Tons of functions. Support social media sharing, GoPro wired and wireless connection, TV screen to share information as extended screen by wire or wireless connection. Also, Chacktok support adding background music, overlays, stickers to your artworks. Number 5. It is designed not only with share station, auto station, and other business events, but also party events and other basic video functions. So it will be more affordable for personal use with part event and other basic shooting function. Star member only $14.99 per month. Number 6. Beautify function and the color filter function. These are the 6 advantages that Chacktok has over other software, and we include all the features of other software. Thank you.